Today's Daily Byte is uncommon words. This question is asked by Amazon. Given two strings representing sentences, return the words that are not common to both strings, i.e. the words that only appear in one of the sentences. You may assume that each sentence is a sequence of words without punctuation, correctly separated using space characters. So normally when they ask in an interview, you might need to clarify those things, like are they all separated by single space? Can there be multiple space? What about special characters? What about uppercase, lowercase, etc., etc.? So the way I think I'd go about solving this is just a straightforward method. Let's create a lookup set using both sentences and say, hey, between these two, which are the common intersection of common words? And we've done that before, right? In the last question, we said, what's the intersection of two sets? So to do that, let's write a definition. I'll call it uncommon. And we'll pass in S1, S2 as sentence 1, sentence 2. Now first, we'll create a lookup. We'll say, hey, make S1, split it to make it a list, and create a set. And we will do an intersection using the AND operator, say set of S2 split. So now we have a lookup hash that's going to have all the common words between these two sentences. Now the rest is easy. We just say for W in S1 split plus S2 split if word not in lookup, then output it, because that means it's only unique to its own sentence. So let's see if that works. And we have the quick brown fox, beat lost 2, and copper hot. So that works. Are there better ways? Probably, but this seems to work, and this is probably how I do it. So that's it. Thanks for watching my channel.